This is Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day. Let's talk about back button focus. So what does that mean? I used to hear that for years and wonder, what in the world does that mean? There's some kind of special thing that I'm doing, but here's what it means. I'm using one of my back buttons to focus my image. What happens then is when I'm set up for back button focus, rather than using the front trigger to focus halfway down, I'm using one of the back buttons, which makes sure that when I push this, if I don't push it hard enough, I'm not going to lose my focus, number one. Number two is I can focus my shot without having to move my focus spot around. So I can move my camera, focus on my subject's face, recompose, take the picture. Learn to use back button focus. I know a lot of you are talking about eye focus. Eye focus is fantastic if your camera has it. If your camera doesn't have it, back button focus is the way to go. This is Mark, your other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day.